Hey, Robert.
What?
You.
Have you ever wanted to censor out bad words in any of your videos, but when you search around, you can't find anything good? So that's why today I'm providing you with some free downloadable sound effects in the description to the right. You can download the bleep sound effect in a 30-second length, 15-second length, and 5-second length. If you want to learn how to create this bleep sound in Audacity, click on this video right now, or in the link in the description to the right. So I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.